M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we've got the jIANPAI 8800 here. You can get these for about £70. They're quad band radios with Bluetooth programming and GPS. And what it is, they don't come with a programming lead. And what I want to show you is that the Baofeng program lead, which I got for my Baofeng UV5, does actually work. So we've got the jIANPAI software here. And we've already read the radio, but we'll do it again. So we just click read, and then we'll click start, like so. And look, it's reading now. There you go. And you know you can buy these Baofeng programming leads for about £4 or £5, I think, depending where you get it from. Nico's making stuff. So there you go. So I just think that'll help because, you know, some prices are selling these are a bit higher than that, but yeah, just a normal Baofeng lead that I've got is working fine. And when it's plugged in, it shows. If we right click our device manager, right click here, device manager, double click, ports, there it is there, showing up there. Bit blurry, but you get the idea. And you get your programming software from RADTEL.com. 7 free, all the best.